Hi there, students. Bundle. A bundle is a noun, or to bundle as a verb. Okay, a bundle is a group of objects held together by wrapping it up or by tying it. So, a bundle of sticks, a bundle of firewood, or you could make a bundle of clothes. You put them all together in one and tie them together. A bundle of pencils held together with a rubber band. I tied the books into bundles so that I could carry them. And then as a verb, to bundle, to make a bundle, to collect together, to bundle together, and to tie into one unit. Now, you could buy a software bundle where several pieces of software are sold together as one unit. So a bundle, a group of things, of goods, of services, all together. Maybe when you pay for your satellite TV or your internet TV, you pay for a bundle. You get various different services in one. Or you buy a bundle with your mobile phone. You get various different things all together. Maybe there's a bundle of cables coming out of the back of your computer, and you could bundle them together using a zip tie, for example. We can also use bundle informally, meaning a large number of something or a lot of something, particularly money. That car cost me a bundle. He lost a bundle on the races. Notice this is quite an informal use. And then with bundle we have a couple of phrasal verbs. To bundle up, to dress warmly. Bundle up, it's cold today. It's cold outside today. We bundled up the children before they went out to play in the snow. And then we have to bundle off, to bundle somebody off, to send somebody to a place quickly or suddenly. I bundled the kids off to school. Go on, off you go, leave. Or the children were bundled off to their grandparents while we went on holiday. Suddenly sent, to bundle somebody off to a place. And then a couple of idioms as well. A bundle of joy is an idiom for a baby. Yeah, I see you have a new bundle of joy. And when somebody's really worried, we could call them a bundle of nerves. They're really worried and nervous. They're a bundle of nerves. Okay, so a bundle, it's like a packet of things all tied together. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe a bundle of onions. Now, to bundle is a regular verb. We bundled the kids off. The kids have been bundled off, sent away, sent somewhere. And then mostly the verb and the noun, a bundle, to bundle, is 5 in formality. You could use it anywhere. But notice the phrasal verbs to bundle off and to bundle up. These are a little more informal. I'd probably say 4 in formality. And then these idioms as well. A bundle of joy or a bundle of nerves. 4 in formality again. And then this phrase, a lot. This cost me a bundle. That's even more informal, maybe 3.5. Now, as to the origin, we have a Middle English word bundel, okay, and a Middle Dutch word bondel. And I think both of these come from Proto-Germanic bundil, all meaning a bundle. So a bundle, a group of objects wrapped together or tied together to make one unit of them. Yeah, a bundle of software, a bundle of services, a large amount of money. This cost me a bundle. To send away suddenly, we bundled the kids off. And you need to bundle up and keep warm when it's cold. A bundle of joy is a baby. And if somebody's very nervous, they're a bundle of nerves. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bundle.